Hey guys, there it is. Team draw is live, 8:35 PM Melbourne time, so I need a fucking what's it called? I need an Excel spreadsheet out. $3. Need a select. Okay, it's the rest. Upper deck select. Alrighty. Let's go back to this. Alright. Dice roll for names 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Copy that one. Don't do that anymore. This one. Teams, dice roll, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. Alright, save, so we're up. And what's it all first? Do that. Copy. And I'll just quickly copy this and go through it. Save time. There's no this one. Alright, so Coulson, Kins, Dale, Cavs, Horwood, Sixers, Leo, Nets, Andrew, Suns, Richmond Dudley, Bucks, Dean, Magic, Richmond Dudley, Wolves, Coulson, Blazers, Jeff, Nuggets, Jacob, Grizz, Cannon, Raptors, Lenbo, Lakers, Maddie, Rockets, Lee, Jazz, Maddie, Wizards, Matt Brown, Warriors, Marco Cruz, Clippers, Raymond Dyer, Mavs, Blake Riley, Celtics, Glenn with the Hawks, Carlos with the Spurs, Matt Brown with the Pacers, Hudson with the Nets, Dale with the Pelicans, Coulson with the Heat, Josh Hinge with Bulls, Cameron Smiley with Pistons, Belcher with Hornets, and Jeff with Thunder. And that's it. So I need to go